Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. This is James, and in this tutorial we will discuss one of the most important business aspects, which is presentation making. Of course, at some point of your career life or of your job, you will have to give a presentation, and in order to do so, you will have to prepare a powerful slideshow. Most of us know about PowerPoint slideshows, and it's so traditional. However, if you want to add something that stands out and that's different and unique, you will have to follow another path, which is Prezi. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Prezi to make a powerful slideshow. Of course, Prezi is not only a website that creates presentation, it also creates things like videos and infographics. However, we are going to use Prezi today just to create a presentation. So these are the things that are provided by Prezi, and I'm going to click on new presentation. You can also create it with AI, with template from scratch, or even convert a PowerPoint into a Prezi slideshow. So I'm going to choose create from template, and now I'm going to pick one of these templates. However, if you want something in particular, you can write it in the search box. Now I'm going to head and see something attractive. I think this one in violet color looks attractive because it has a wide range of colors. In addition, it has these charts that looks like business charts. So by clicking on it, I can use this template or use as with AI. So I'm going to fill this template with AI. Now I'm going to choose the privacy as public, because if you chose it to be private, you will have to pay, and I'm going to use the free version. Now I'm going to press on continue. Then it will ask me what type of presentation I want to create, because AI is trying to find something relevant to it. So I'm going to write business. Then it will ask me an additional question. Tell me about your topic. So I'm going to tell it that I am preparing a presentation for ممكن performance tracking, for example. Then I'm going to click on generate. Now it will take some time to prepare my subject and prepare and fill my slideshow with AI. So I'm going to wait patiently until it finishes, and it's done. So this is how our presentation will look like. You can control the color palette and background and design before start editing. So by changing color palette, you will see that everything changes. The background and even the individual slides will change their color. So I'm just going to head back to the original one. You can also change background and change design. So I'm just going to click on start editing. And now this is how it looks like. And in order to understand what is special about Prezi, it's all about its zooming in and out. So if I clicked on present and chose start presentation and with watermark to present it as a free version, you can see that it will keep zooming in, then transferring to another port, moving to the next port, then it will zoom out, then zoom into another port, and so on and so forth. So this makes your own presentation looks very smooth and very coherent. It keeps all the things attached and linked to each other, then it keeps zooming in port to another port to another port, zooming out to show you the full scheme and how all and everything are connected. So this is what makes Prezi special, because it makes your topic looks as a whole unit, as a single unit, and it keeps everything attached and in place, which makes your audience focused and know where they are and where they will go ahead. This is what makes Prezi special. So if I want to edit each slide, I will choose a specific slide, for example, and I will find this top bar which shows things that I can edit, starting with the style. If I choose style, for example, I can edit background, colors, and text style. I can also remove the watermark, but it will require payment, so I'm not going to do so. Next is frame, and by using a frame you can add a new slide, and you can also choose its size. So once I drag and drop, if I chose this slide, it will zoom into this slide. So I have made a new slide using this move. Next is text, which allows you to add a new text box so that you can write anything you want. You can also control its properties. Next is media, where you can add an image, you can add a video, you can add GIF, you can add even individual PowerPoint slides. Next is shapes, where you can add any shape you want. Next is a story block, where you will be able to add what is called smart art in PowerPoint. Next, if we clicked on more, you will be able to add planet topic or page topic, which are both mean new slide. They are just different in the way they zoom in, but it's not that significant. You can also control the animation, add presenter notes, which is equivalent to comments in PowerPoint. And if you saved anything as a template, you will find it in my library. So this is how you can edit your Prezi. So in style, we have seen that we have both background and color. What is the difference? In background, you can just change the color of the background of your presentation. So if I chose background, for example, and let me select it once more, and I chose a color which looks brighter, only the background color will change and the slides will maintain their color. However, if I chose, let's just go back to the original. If I chose colors, you will change everything together as if your whole presentation look like a monotone presentation. So let's see how it works. By choosing colors, then choose any of these palettes, you will find that everything changes, the background as well as the slides, which makes your presentation look like a monotonic presentation. So this is how you can edit the color and how you can differentiate between the color and the background. You can also preview your presentation from preview on the top. You can present it as we did before to show you how it works, but you can also do an option which does not exist in PowerPoint, which is record as a video, where you will be able to narrate your presentation by adding audio or even adding audio and video to your presentation. However, this requires payment. So the free version only allows you to save or export your PowerPoint as PDF. This is the only option you have got in the free version. However, you are this way giving up the most powerful feature of Prezi. So this is how easy you can create a presentation using Prezi and how you can make something which is unique, which will drag attention of everyone. You can also add any collaborators from here so that they will work with you at the same time and edit on Prezi. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, make sure to press on subscribe and like our content to receive more. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you in more tutorials. Until then, take care and goodbye.